It's one of these great tricks in life where it's like if you prioritize money, you're not gonna get it. And if you prioritize doing good work, money is the residue of that. I stopped drinking caffeine at 11, and I don't eat until noon. This is my hometown. Be able to return to put an office here is just like, it's a big deal. It's a big day. You know what we're doing? Because you're gonna ask. We're mailing baseball cards to our friends.
We like snacks
here.
We like snacks.
If you're a firm that doesn't have good snacks, like you can't do great work.
He didn't know how to use it.
Why don't you show Danny what I did?
He filled it with water and then he was like, well now, how do I get on the blender? So he just went like as fast as he could with the water. And it just like wasn't.
The question is it white chocolate? Is it chocolate or disappointment? Which is it?
So we are presenting our scholarship winner with her $1,000 scholarship. Our tradition, which was actually stolen from Betsy's, was that when you're fired, you actually get a sheet cake on your last day to celebrate.
You ever see Garden State?
Yeah.
There's that scene where Largeman goes to the neurologist his dad recommends, and he just like looks at the wall behind the guy's desk, and it's every single square inch of the wall is like an accolade, and then there's one like stapled to the ceiling. Like we don't want that office.
As a golf club cover for $100.
Okay, maybe I don't like golf as much as I thought.
Yeah.
We want everyone here to feel empowered. Our clients get better service that way when people feel empowered to make decisions without double checking or asking.
What I googled says technically white chocolate is not a chocolate, and it
Well,
doesn't.
Yahoo Answers doesn't count.
When they fired somebody, they'd have this awkward thing. They'd have a sheet cake. So I lost my Fermi, but I did not go to Enfield High School for those out there.
Sorry.
This is my new space. I have one little personal memento.
But I feel like nature is healing. We're getting more swag.
Swag is way more important than snacks, and we love our snacks here.
There's just not a lot of like random joy in the world.
Yeah, my son's on the right, and then our girls were premature. But yeah, they're like rolling up. They're like, oh, we've never had people come with this. I'm like,
I'm making healthy snacks this week so that when I go on vacation, you guys have snacks. Oh, it's our clapboard.
Oh, look at this, Danny. Danny will appreciate this.
Yeah, you will.
all right, locking down the Amazon account.
Kristen is not here this week, so this is my current morning chaos.
So, sending some cards out to my baseball card friends. Or to my friends who like baseball.
What is white fudge though? Isn't it? It's a different part of the cocoa bean.
No.
I think that's false. Mellow. It just depends on my mood for the day. But if I'm like, all right, yesterday was busy, start my day a little mellow, you know?
Today, we're not only opening up a new office, we're doing two things. This is like a big day for us. Take stuff on. If I watch the video and I have stuff in my pockets, it'll bother me. Teams have uniforms. And then Teams fans, they also wear those uniforms. Honestly, like half my wardrobe is swag. Hey, welcome. Ice Cream Office LLC, yeah.
Solid.
Named by Andrew's 5-year-old son. I don't know. Things you find out when you move, you know, you gotta figure out where your mailbox is and stuff.
This is your XL?
Super, thank you. I will make sure it goes to the right direction.
You got it.
You know, I saw how unfairly the insurance companies treated me, and I think that put a big chip on my shoulder, and I'm making them pay for it every single day. Yeah, what we found is now we're 15 people, and so there actually needs to be like a management component.
Yeah.
So these are like our uniforms. They're comfortable, they're bold.
Aw, you're so sweet.
So,
And I can't think of a better business to be here in Enfield.
This is who we are now. The dog poster friend.